Hi, this is Denise with DR Escapes, and we are in Los Farallones, which is a sought-after gated community on the north coast in Cabrera. And we are highlighting a very special property. It is Via Cascada. Cascada means waterfalls, and this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath property has waterfalls and both sides of the property, and also 2 beautiful pools that just need some loving care to really turn this gem into something that sparkles. Well, now let's look more in depth at Via Cascada. Via Cascada, as we mentioned, is located in Los Farallones. It is the lowest priced villa in the gated community, the sought after gated community, and it is listed at only $249,000. And the real potential for this property is because it's not just one property, it's actually 2 properties in one with 2 separate entrances. The bottom is 2-bedroom, 1 bath. The top level, 2-bedroom, 2 bath, and has spacious bedrooms, ocean views, and mahogany closets. It is really an incredible property. The bedrooms are spacious. The main bath has been remodeled with granite counters and double sinks. The shower area and partition toilet area are all remodeled. The ocean views are incredible, that you can see through the multiple palms that are located on the property. You can look from the kitchen, the dining, and also the living rooms and see this incredible view of the ocean and the lush vegetation all around the property. The tropical gardens boast many fruit trees, mango, avocado, papaya, and really are perfect for anyone that enjoys gardening or to have a tropical garden here in the Caribbean. The property is completely enclosed with a rustic and functional stone wall that provides privacy and also security. There is a large stone building that houses the equipment for the 2 pools, and also could be converted or expanded as an in-law unit, a casita, or more storage. As we look around, the thing that I think is really so amazing about this property is that it's actually 2 separate properties, totally private guest suite that can be used for extended family, or it can be used, of course, as an Airbnb rental opportunity. You will love this property, and especially now with building materials going up and no end in sight, this is a property that you could not duplicate. So this is one to contact us immediately. Via Cascada. You will not regret making that call, getting a showing, and seeing more of this specific property. Anyway, remember, keep coming to drescapes.com, the YouTube portal, DR Escapes, and always, we would love to see you on tour.